My name is Brenda Edwards, and I'm playing Deloris Van Cartier.
My name's Whoopi, and I'm just here to hang out with her.
I'm very excited to play this role because her whole personality and Deloris' character is exactly what I want to embody as a woman.
It's a big character. She's got a lot of personality, and she's fun. Brenda auditioned for this show when it first happened in the UK, and she didn't get the part because she was too old. So we've rectified that. They made Deloris into a 23-year-old. There are different stakes when you're older, and you can be much more irreverent when you're older than you can when you're in your 20s and 30s. And you know, time makes you funny. So Sister Act, the way Sister Act should be done, is coming back to the UK in 2020. Look for those tickets, because once they go on sale, you know they sell fast.